Hey guys, this is Puzzlebox427 Gaming here, and as you'll notice, I'm on a different server today. Wow. And that is because I haven't actually played Among Us ever, and I want to now because I found the server. And it has this game called Among Slimes, and so it's basically Among Us, but in Minecraft. Not made by Phoenix SC, but it's different, kind of, but like, but what? Please, oh, okay, there we go. I was the 10th person here. So as you can see, imposter chance is 20%. I kind of hope I get imposter. No. Okay, so everyone's a slime now. And if you haven't played Among Us, basically, you go in different rooms. You have to do tasks and try not to get killed. So, oh, lights are out. Okay. I kind of want to do my task in here first, but I also don't. I'm just gonna do it. Come on. Yes, there we go. Okay. I am gonna go down to electrical and try and fix the lights. It's actually pretty easy to do that. Oh my gosh. The dead body. This is so tedious. It's black. Black, I saw you. You were sitting over the dead body. I really, 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 really hope they do not vote me out. Oh my gosh. Hit the emergency meeting button! Who are the imposters? It's gotta be Black and someone else. It's so black. It's so black. I don't know how you can swipe your card when you don't have hands, but whatever, okay. Whoops, wrong way. Need to go in here, click to start. Oh! Black is so sus, man. Black is so it. Orange and black. Black. No, let me vote. Black. Alright, ghost chat. Orange. Orange. Alright, I can't do it. Yeah, I knew it. Black. It's so black. Oh gosh, no. Okay, this one. Can I help fix the oxygen leak? I don't think so, but maybe. Okay, I didn't need to. I'm sorry, I should not know. I am sus. Black is like, I'm gonna follow Black around as a ghost, if I can find him. Guys, just vote Black out. Please. Please, Black sus. It wasn't Black. It wasn't Black. What? Red is imposter. I heard a venting noise in security. Ooh. Red, my team. Oh, really? Oh, Black just left. Come on, guys. It's like... Oh, my gosh. Red sus. Red. Oh wait, I can't vote as a ghost. Why yellow? Dude, why yellow? No. Oh, right. I'm following red. Where even is red? I'm gonna go into the cams if I can as a ghost. Again, I've only played this like a few times. Okay, the total tasks completed are actually almost kind of full. So if, oh great. That's just great. Where? On like the opposite, I don't even think I can do that, so I'm just gonna chill and do my tasks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Nyom. Upper engine, charge batteries. I hate this task. Oh wow, okay, that was a lot faster than normal. Yeah, I have, oh no. If that could be a good time to test if I actually can do anything about that. Probably can't, but I mean, I can try. Oh my gosh, it's gotta be red. It's so red. Thank you, my goodness. Red! It's pink! Why are you lying? Oh, I'm actually really close to this. 0-2. No! No! Okay, that is actually, like, kind of annoying. I don't know. Among slimes. Okay, cool. Let's do it. Please, I want to be the imposter. I want to be the imposter. Please. I want to be the imposter. Oh my gosh, stop. It's like so annoying. I've been the imposter once and I got voted out immediately because I'm trash in this game. I'm gonna hang around with these guys. I'm scared now. Green is acting kinda sus. Why? I think it's black. I can't spell. How many imposters? So, 2. Wait, yellow left? Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, vote black. Okay, black. Black is black, hopefully. Either way, I don't have a German teammate, personally. I mean, no offense to any Germans watching my video, but, like, I can't understand you talking and stuff in chat. It's not me, but vote me out. That seems kinda sus. Vote! Come on! Oof. Great. I am dead. I am dead. Okay. Oh my gosh, white, please don't kill me. That's probably not white, but whatever. Green. Huh. There's like no pink. Save. Nope. That's kinda suck. Hey! Alright. All we need to do is vote out the other imposter. So card and admin. Go in here. Navigate planet. Zabelia or whatever. Moon. Why is the moon and Earth so far apart, and why is the moon considered a planet? I'm so confused. White is acting a little sus. Not gonna lie. Trash. 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 Six. Oh. No! No! Oh, please let me be imposter! Please!
I have been imposter once, and I want to be an imposter again.
Please, just let me be imposter. Shh. Why? 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 Okay, this will be the last game. Probably gonna be a little bit shorter video. There's definitely a kill going on right now. That's my guess. Come on, come on, come on. No, I can't aim it correctly. Oh my gosh. Why? Red. Wait, who called the emergency meeting? Troll. Wait, White's gone. White's dead. Go skip. Just randomly voted orange. Who still needs to vote? Imagine if everyone didn't vote, then the imposters won. That would actually be unfair, because then the imposter... Oh, Orange just left. Why did he leave? I just randomly voted orange. I really hope that did not seem sus. Because if that seems sus, then I'm so dead. Come back in a minute. Blah. I need to stop making weird sounds like that. Blah. Wait, are they seriously all? They're all across from each other. I have never gotten that layout. Where? Oh my gosh, so many people just died. Yellow. Wait, what? Well, that's gonna be the last game of this episode, and I will see you guys next time.